All right, we're back. We're officially back. Hey guys. So we're gonna be here for the CPI news. I don't know how it's gonna go on, and as you can see, we have the gold trade being taken out. The second part around break even. This last one, actually, it was quite interesting on the 1 minute because it was away from with one tick, actually 2 times, but then it has taken me out. But still, overall, we're in profit for the day, so the account is still up. And hey there, Armin. What's going on? Let's see what goes. Yeah. As for now, we are just waiting for the news, which is in less than... Actually, it's in 6 minutes. So let's see what happens. Actually, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I was taking a power nap, by the way, because there were no reason to trade before CPI. I mean, I used to start to trade the New York session at pre-New York, which is 1 hour, well, actually 7 a.m. New York time. But now I felt like I'm just going to wait until news. So here we are. So far for today, we are net positive. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I think we're going to wait at least 5 to 10 minutes, maybe minimum, after the news to see what's going on with the numbers. 5 minutes to go, everyone. 5 minutes. Maybe I'm gonna need my coffee. Hold on. I'm just going to get my coffee, I guess. I'm just going to get my coffee, I guess. Try to do it in less than 5 minutes. We're not taking any positions anyway, so this is the gold chart. We're gonna go through every other chart as well. Give me 2 minutes, all right? Thank you. Okay, back with the coffee. So, guys, always make sure to dehydrate. Have my coffee cookie here. All right. So, news coming in 1 minute and 30 seconds ish. Gonna be interesting to see. S&P is doing nothing. Nasdaq, nothing. German index, nothing so far. So I think we're just gonna wait for news. Let's put the... No, that's not it. Okay, let's put Euro here on the left side. News in less than 1 minute. KRK, hey there. Valami tipp? Betegség ellen? Rossz közérzet, lázam volt, mentálisan ki vagyok. Fellow Hungarian trader asking for a tip against illness or being sick. He's having a fever. Mentally broken, no, not broken. mentally down. Hát ez sokszor előfordul velem is. Legjobb egy jó nő. The best thing against illness is a good chick, you know. Alright, let's check. Mindjárt mondom. Nézzük, mi van a hírekre. Let's check. News right now. Okay. News out. Euro spiking lower. Gold spiking lower. This is gold. Gold taking out all the sell side. That's great. Very good. I'm happy about that. Let's check the numbers. Do we have numbers? Oh wow. This is gold actually going up. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Mindjárt mondom. Let's look at that. Hold on. This is gold. Taking out everyone. Let's see the numbers. CPI as forecasted. Actually, yeah, just as forecasted. Okay, alright, so... Whoa. Gondoltam. Gondoltam. Alright. Így át gyógyteát. Hársfa tea. Kamilla tea. Van egy-két gyógytea, nézzél szét. Én azt szoktam, az mindig segít. Komolyan, hidd el. Alright. Tényleg, gyógyteákat nézzél szét. Az segít. Nézd meg, hogy lázra, torokra, fejfájásra. Én mindig szoktam, és segít. Pihenés. Apró bojtorján is jó. Alright. Euro spiked up. Buy side is at 0831. Oh, look at that. This gold destroyed mostly everyone. Sell side here has been destroyed. Next sell side is here. Buy side has been taken. Perfect. It's perfect for destroying everyone. Destroy everything. S&P spiked up. It spiked up as well. German index. Okay. Now, German index is interesting because this is a historical high. Just saying. Look at that. Technically, that's a historical high up there. Anyway, I'm not trading that. Looking for Euro to reach that buy side up there. As you can see, there's still a lot of liquidity. This is the euro 4-hour chart. Lot of liquidity above 0831 level. It would be only logical for euro to take that out, but you know, who am I to judge? I'm not entering any position. This news is sickening. Royce, nice to see you here. Nice to see everyone. Please, guys, do not forget to drop the like to the stream. Thank you so much. So far, I think euro is going to take out buy side, but even if I look at the 1 minute, I would have not had my entry as of now. I would go for a buy side here. This was a possible entry. 16 pips. It can do it. It's very close. Buy side is very close. Not sure if I should take it. That's buy side right there. It can go up. I'm afraid to take it. No. No range there, guys. No range. I don't see a range to buy anything. Entry would have been down here maybe. But yeah. Don't see anything. That was euro. On the pound, it took out, what did it take out? Yesterday high. Yesterday high has been taken out on pound. We have buy side at 26.15. Let's check it. Yeah, we have a little bit of buy side up there. 20, yeah. Euro is going to take out 31-ish. Gold so far, dangerous. Playing a dangerous game. Next buy side is up there, 72. Not doing anything. Look at euro. I might missed it. I think I missed it. Not entering. It's only I don't like the range. I don't have a range. This is the 1 minute. I'm not entering. I should have entered the buy, but logical step would be to take out buy side. I'm not pulling the trigger. Look at that. It's getting near. No. This could have been a good entry down here where the stop loss line is, but maybe if it goes right there. Maybe here. Alright, we're in. Oh my god, I didn't even want it to be in. Dude. I partially accidentally triggered this trade. Guys. Wasn't even meant to be in this trade. Damn, I'm screwed. Oh man, I didn't, okay. I messed up this trade. I messed this up. Oh my god, I messed this trade up big time. It can turn against me. Oh my god, it's gonna turn against me. That was a technical error, partially. I wanted to enter, but not like this. I should close it while I can. Actually, I'm just gonna lose $100, so that's fine. But I was really... Oh my god, I messed this one up big time. Big time, guys. It's gonna take me out so fast. Look at it. Oh, shoot. I'm a little bit frustrated because this was not my entry which I wanted to take. It's a one-to-one trade only, well, almost a one-to-one, but still. I might gonna close partials on this. Here. Yeah, I think I should. But it's only $40 away, so... I mean, the account, money-wise, is not that much affected, but it's gonna go down here, man. Shoot that. Whoa, a little bit frustrating, I know. My original target would still be 0831, but it's gonna take it out. Man. A little bit frustrated. The EA triggered that limit order. Yeah, closing it. Closed it. $88. Damn. Wrong entry there. Wrong entry there. I messed it up. That was partially a technical error on my side. That was partially a technical error. Originally, my entry would have been around here. This would have been my original entry, to be honest. But now I'm just frustrated, so I might not be taking any trades. I don't know. Let's let me just do some reassessing right here. This would be my original entry. Okay, this would have been my original entry right here. So if I lose this one, it's great. I mean, it's not great, but this would have been my original entry here. I lost $30 to by mistake before. Don't worry, you are not the only one. All right. This would have been my entry. Exactly this. So, nothing to do here. Hopefully I get above my TP1. Damn it, I messed that up. I messed it up big time. That would have been my original entry here. How stupid was I? Actually, I deserved it. I was stupid to enter with the EA. Have to be careful with the pending orders with this EA because it just triggers like crazy. Damn it. So what I will do to be safe on this one, actually, let's see what it does. I don't care, I covered it. Guys, I covered it. Alright. I made it back. So that's it. It's like it never happened, alright? I scalped it back. Like it never happened. Let's pretend, guys, alright? Let's pretend that it didn't happen, alright? Can we do that? Can I delete that thing from the VOD? Let's pretend it didn't really happen. Alright? Nothing happened, guys. Nothing to be seen here. You know, I didn't enter any trade. Nothing happened. Let's just delete this from our history. Let's talk like nothing has happened. It's great, right? Alright. Alright, so no trade has been taken yet. Nothing. This is just, you know, a graphical issue here. There's nothing here. So don't worry about that. I didn't want it to give back the profits from London session with a simple mistake. So anyway, we're still right after the news. Anything can happen. Let's give a market a few minutes to settle down. So, alright guys, drop a like. This trade has never happened. It's gonna be our secret. Okay. What you see here in the history is nothing. It's technically nothing. These two trades are nothing. I don't care if it goes up. No problem, no FOMO. Trust me guys, no FOMO. I'm actually grateful for the universe. So I'm very grateful for universe. Still, what I'm saying right now, 0831 is a very good buy side there. So very good buy side here. You know what? I'm not even going to log it. Not even going to put it to the journal. There. We're not putting this to anywhere because it was so fast and everything. Let's be grateful. We have to give an order to receive. That's how the universe... Yeah. We have to give an order to receive. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly, Armin. Exactly. So, S&P went all the way up. Nasdaq as well. Now, let's just see what it wants to do. I have a feeling, by the way, that Euro wants to come back down and take out this wick, maybe, in the short run, and then maybe drive back up. So, my entry was great at 50% level, but I still think it's gonna take out 0831. Right? Right, of course. Of course. Of course, now let's don't forget that we have sell stops here. That's the midnight level. we never really got back to below the New York midnight level. So that could be interesting. Let's see the dollar index, all right? That's the dollar index. Dollar index hourly chart. What do we have on the hourly? We have sell side liquidity here on dollar index, not too far, not too far. We have this long wick. Would be interesting from dollar index to retrace all the way back up here. But that's it for dollar index. Gold, look at gold. It's a complete destroy. Seek and destroy almost, you know, but it's not a seek and destroy technically yet. I mean, it is, but took out all this sell side all the way down here. This sell side is still intact. This has been taken out. Previous day high has been taken out. We have buy side up there. We are at no man's land, guys. Pound made its high. We have a historical high, not that significant, at 26.18. Sell side here and here. I would be rather happy with the short, to be honest. Let's look at the euro. This is the euro chart. Euro USD. So far, nothing major. As I said, 0831 is the level to be taken out. This long wick candle won't be here alone for too long. That's why I decided to, partially of course, to close that trade. So I barely made back what I lost with that EA error. So I don't know. You know, I would like to see euro take out that that significant high there. That would be great. But if it turns back down, we have sell side down here, you know, quite a few places. We have midnight level, we have this. We have sell side to be targeted, to be honest. Pound the same. So it's the waiting game, guys. Again. It's the waiting game. It's just a waiting game. Hold on, I have to make a quick phone call. Okay. So technically nothing. Euro just stuck here. Look at that. I might have done the good thing by exiting. I don't know. We just have to wait, guys. Nothing else to do right now. Is the waiting game, guys. Is the waiting game. Gold is going back lower. Might want to take out this sell side. So we're just waiting. Hey, Cuckoo. Hey there, my man. Applause. Applause for everyone who returns. Working while watching the stream. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please drop a like. You know, that's the drill. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, actually nothing really happened. All right, we had a technical error. I entered accidentally a trade. I lost $88 there, but I made back instantly that money on euro. My EA put me into a pending order, not on the specific level where I wanted to, but it's fine. We're still fine. We're just waiting. Gold has destroyed everything. I wanted to enter. I did actually enter, but I messed up my entry. I entered a long on euro, which put me back into break even, because before that I entered accidentally another long, but it took me out with a stop. Actually, I closed it manually. Then I re-entered and recouped the losses, but overall I would be having a long entry on euro. But right now I'm just not entering anything. I'm at break even. I mean, with these two trades overall today we are in net profit, but I'm just waiting. I don't know. This price action, I don't like it. I don't like it. For me, it looks like there is the euro dollar. We have the 0831 level, and we had this fair value gap which has been repriced to the 50% equilibrium level, and now and it went back up, but now it's just, you know, it's doing nothing. Also, the gold, this is the gold chart, 5 minute, this is 15-minute chart. It seems like gold just wants to drop here, because I think everybody expects gold to go up, maybe. Expected for the news. When I look at gold on the 30-minute and on the hourly, it looks terrible. yeah, Cuckoo. It looks terrible actually, so I don't know what to make of this. We just have to wait for a direction here. There's no direction, guys. My original entry would have been on the euro to take out 0831, but I'm not re-entering now. I don't want to play Murphy's Law. I'm afraid that if I re-enter, it's just gonna put me out with a stop loss, so I'm grateful that I survived. And now that's it. If you want to enter to euro long, you can do it. You should have at least a 1-to-1 range, so I'm not entering right now. I'm just waiting for any kind of direction. Stock exchange open is in less than 33 minutes. We'll see. We'll see. S&P is doing nothing. Nasdaq doing nothing. German DAX is technically nothing. We have historical highs up there, so we might see the index futures spike up a little bit higher. I have no targets on S&P or Nasdaq whatsoever. Nothing. Next buy side is actually, we have a round number on Nasdaq, I think. Let's yeah, we have 15,000 as a round number, which is not that far. It's very close actually on the 1 hour. You can see it on Nasdaq. Could be the next target. Could be the next target on Nasdaq. I'm not trading it. All right. Gold, this is gold again. Going lower, just a little bit. Guys, you know the drill. If anybody would like to help the stream, please drop a like or visit my Patreon page at pip.ninja. But please drop a like to the stream. Thank you so much. I'm still a small streamer, you know. Let's support support me. So we're waiting. No clear direction. I think we're not even gonna have direction until the end of CPI. Maybe the volume is gonna come in at New York afternoon, New York PM session. I don't know. That's why we have to wait until stock exchange open. I would still think that the euro should go up from here. So if you want to enter long, you have a 20 pip range with at least a 20 pip stop. You should have a 1-to-1 range, which is good. If you have a 1-to-1 range with a considerable, if you have a entry with a considerable stop loss level with at least a 1-to-1 range, then you're good. Less than 1-to-1 risk reward is not so good in my opinion, but you know, do whatever you like. So you're still good for long on euro. If you guys want to enter. I'm not re-entering this. I should though. I should re-enter. Oh my god, look at that. We have some resistance here, as you can see. Should I enter again? Dude. That's 16 pips. My stop loss is not gonna be at an ideal level. I don't want to enter. This was my good entry point right there. I have 15 pips here, 15 here. I don't like that stop loss, so I'm not entering. I'm not entering into euro. If it would dive all the way down, maybe take out this wick, I would consider to re-enter, maybe. But not like this, not now. Maybe gold. Let's see gold. This is a significant high there. Sell side has been taken out, so technically entering a long position on gold would not be that bad, actually. So let's just wait for a possible entry level. Sell side has been taken, that's for sure. Now we're looking for buy side. That's the logical step. Look at gold, euro. Pound is going up. All right, now we're seeing something. Dollar index is dropping lower. It's going to take out that significant low. So we're good, we're good. Someone wants to enter euro long. How's your chance? It's risky, but you can do it. This is yesterday's high. It has been already taken out, but we have this historical high 1972. If this candle closes like this, exactly, now we have a structure break. We definitely have a structure break, and in less than 3 minutes, we might be having a 5-minute structure break as well. So yes, I am focusing on gold, definitely. I'm focusing on gold right now. Let's put a fib here. All right. We have fair value gaps, whatever you want, you know. Bonjour, Miss Healthy FX. Bonjour, bonjour. Good to see you. I think I should learn French, right? Okay, let's put this here. Okay, all right. Pending order 1959. Would be great. So this by me, this level would be considered still as a good entry level. Less than 1 minute to close the 5-minute candle. But this entry I would consider to go long. And my stop loss would be... Where's the historical high here? 1972, 1973 actually, on gold. Let's put this here. 1973. Okay, so that would be a TP2. So this is a great entry. This is a great entry for me. All right, this is my entry 100%. TP1, TP2 well beyond the range. Let's hope for the best. Okay, 5-minute candle closed on gold. Let's check it. There you go. Structure break happened on the 5-minute. Sell side has been destroyed almost, but we have significant buy side. And as I was telling you guys all week, let me just go over gold on the hourly. So this is what I was pursuing all week, actually since last week. This liquidity up here. Lots of liquidity above 1985. And we have 1973, this long wick candle. Sell side has been pretty much destroyed. The only logical step for the algorithm would be to take out buy side. So that's it. That's my analysis for you. In short, it might not gonna go back down. It seems like it doesn't want to go back. That's not a problem. But let's just see. My pending buy limit order is right there. My stop loss is at 48 pips or points, or I don't know. Just at this fair value gap here on the 1 minute, because it's around optimal trade entry. If it takes us off, I mean, without me, it's fine. But this would give me a perfect TP1 and TP2 range. But until we get a TP1, until that historical high, I'm willing to enter at a higher price. Guys, please drop a like if someone is new, or if not new, still drop your likes. Thank you so much. And again, if someone wants to support me, please join me on the right. There's some links down there, and you can visit also my Patreon site at pip.ninja. I'm a small streamer, small trader. All right, so a spike down on gold would fill us in, and that's it technically. If it would reprice to the mid-level, that would be great. Entry is still good on the euro. If you guys want to enter on euro, it's still not that bad. Actually, it's getting better. Somehow I feel that we're gonna have a bullish day in every way. I'm still not filled on this trade. Getting there, but still not there. Okay. Now go, hey there, BTC USD. Scary to trade, very high spread. BTC USD, I don't even trade it. Oh my god, look at that. I'm not trading Bitcoin, but it also did a structure break. So if I would enter Bitcoin, I would short it here because it broke structure here. So if it goes back, let me delete this. If it goes back into that fair value gap, I would go short maybe. Maybe. That's a big maybe. So there you go. I guess. Still not getting filled here. I'm not trading Bitcoin, by the way, and I do think that Bitcoin is gonna go down. If not this year, then in the next couple of years it's gonna go down. Of course, digital currencies are the future and everything. I agree with that. The crypto market is the future, but Bitcoin is going down. I strongly believe that Bitcoin is gonna go down. Okay, look at that. Euro gonna go below this wick. If you're in the trade, hopefully your stop is somewhere below here. I still didn't get a fill here. Waiting. Maybe I should have used this gap here, right? I might not be able to get filled here. Yeah. Or maybe I would. I don't know. Gold is playing mind games. I don't want to really miss the move, but you know. As for now, it seems like we're not gonna be filled into this trade. Let's check the 5-minute gold. Yeah, we have a fair value gap actually. So look at the 5-minute, yeah, not the best one. But we do have a fair value gap, and the fair value gap is 63.34. Where is my limit entry? 63. All right, so this will be my entry. This is still in the 5-minute fair value gap, so TP1 is very, very good still. But it's gonna leave the station without me, I think. I think it's going to leave the station without me. There you go. There's the fair value gap, which I'm hoping that we're gonna get tapped into. Low of this candle is 63.42. Maybe I will put that as well. All right, that's it. That's the entry. right at the 5-minute fair value gap. That's the 5-minute fair value gap right there. That's the 5-minute fair value gap right there. Let's see if we get a fill. Maybe we will. All right, we got a fill there. All right. We are in the 5-minute fair value gap. And we have a live trade on gold. This is getting exciting, right? Okay, so right now it doesn't really look good, but we are still inside the fair value gap. TP1 is very good. It's still at the range. TP2 is still good, so nothing to do here, guys. You just have to wait it out. Stop loss is there. We are at the midnight range. We'll see how it goes. Actually, if I would wait it for the 1-minute fair value gap, I would still be in the trade, but it is what it is. No problem. The stop loss would be technically the same, so but I don't like this movement. Let's check the euro. Let's check the euro. Okay. Because gold clearly wants to do something different here. Or actually not the thing I was looking for gold to do. Not the ideal range, that's for sure. Okay, so now is a potentially ideal entry for euro, but honestly, I don't know. Doesn't really look all that good from here. Not the best. Not the best. But if you want to go long, you can do it here from on euro. I'm not entering. I'm already half percent risk, sorry. And it looks like this gold trade is not the one that we were looking for. My original TP would have hit 30 pips, but I exited 80. Well, you know, that's still something, you know. That's still something you should be happy about, Armin. That's still good. That's still good. That is still something. So this was the first trade actually where I scaled up my position size because I wanted to scale up. I was using $90 and $100 positions. So this is the first trade. GU is breaking down. Let's see. So this is the first trade where I scaled up my position. Let's see. Yeah, GU is breaking. Let's check it. Oh yeah, this is a structure break. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. We have an official structure break here. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, I don't like that. I think I have to enter a trade here. All right. I entered a trade on GU. I had to. I'm sorry because my entry is definitely off. This was the level. I entered a sell. I might going to close it. I'm gonna see where it goes. All right. That's not good because it goes against the. These are. I'm not entering no more than 2 trades, so this goes against gold. But I was waiting for GU to break down lower, actually. But this goes against my gold trade, which is not all that bad because it's kind of hedging. But of course, the gold and the pound not always go hand to hand, but let's check the dollar index. Yeah. Yeah. I might have to close down the gold trade here. So again, gold is not always goes hand by hand with GU, but still it's not the best thing. Entry was based on the 1 minute, a little bit off after tapping into that fair value gap. Might have to close down the gold trade, guys. Let's look at how we're doing with money wise. Yeah, closing down the gold trade here. Gold trade has been closed. Cut the bait. I'm going to log it right after this one, but I'm just going to put it here. We have a loss here, but we are in GU. We're in GU. So gold trade has been closed. Yeah, look at that. I was really hoping that it will go, but GU is definitely having to go lower. There is definitely some sell side down there. So hoping that the EA will do its job and close partially. Hopefully. What is Euro doing? Euro is also going down, and the dollar index, it has some distance to close. So we might have some momentum on GU for the downside. Thank you, Miss Healthy FX, for reminding me on GU. I was waiting for a London session as well for a breakdown on GU as well. I was waiting for a short opportunity. And you know, the final TP could go all the way down to this imbalance right there. It could go all the way down there, hopefully. If it gets, if we get the partial profit at least. The gold trade would have taken us out, just saying. So it's a good thing that I closed it earlier. The stop loss would have been 57.84. Yeah, it would have stopped me out. So at least we minimized a little bit the damage there. A little bit difficult session, to be honest. Tapped into that fair value gap, so I took the trade, but We don't really need too much. Let's look at the pips. Points 9.4. Yeah, we need at least 13 pips. Let's check the EA. 12.9 pips to go break even with a 1-to-1 R. So 12.9 pips to go break even. That was the entry. Or we should just, you know, close it down. It's crazy what's happening. Bullish order block. Bullish order block on EU. I don't like the pound. I might just gonna consider closing it at break even. What's the pound doing anyway? Dollar index, nothing. No, I think I should close it. Closed it. Close the pound. And I'm going back to my original theory on euro. I know. I'm perfectly aware of I'm doing crazy stuff here. But I just can't help myself. I do think that we're gonna go visit that level. We've taken this out. This order block is working. We have a TP1 range. There. It has proven that we have still a TP1 range up there. Oh, guys. I might have did a bad thing. I don't know. A little bit confused. I still have the range at least on euro. I think I pushed too many buttons for one session already. I should just walk away with one loss and that's it. It's still alright. Still looking at gold if it wants to go higher, you know, but I want to go with my original analysis on euro, And this is my original analysis. That's it. That's my explanation of why I'm doing crazy stuff. I might even lower my stop loss. I mean, gonna put my stop to a tighter position. So for now, I basically was sticking with my original analysis. This GU trade is technically still alright, so I don't know, I just exited because I didn't really like the price action. Come on. All right. This should be better. So as for gold, I'm still looking for a re-entry. Do you have a fair value gap? We'll see. I still have a feeling that this historical high will be taken out. So and what I'm actually hoping and what I'm going to do, I am going to remove the expert from Euro, and it's going to be a manual take profit right below here. Yeah, that's it. It's going to be a one-to-one trade. So let's get it, boys and girls. This is Nasdaq. And this is S&P. Nothing serious happening here so far. This is gold again. So let's wait. Yeah, this is bullish. So pound might going to try to take out some highs, which is interesting. Very interesting. But okay, let's go with that. if that's what it wants to do, then I'm not gonna stand in the way. All I need is technically a this is pound. All I need is a limit order right there on pound. In that fair value gap right there. That's extra risk, I know, but I might put the euro to break even if it taps into this. I might put it to break even the euro if we're getting filled on pound. Okay, this is gold again. This is the euro again. That 0831 level is really interesting. And so far the dollar index wants to go lower. It seems like it wants to take out that low over there. It can do it easily if it wants to. So I'm waiting for a fill here. All right, we got filled. Risky, definitely very, very, very risky, guys. Don't do this at home. It's very, very risky. I'm technically exposed to full risk right now. The account is at full risk, full 1% risk here. So if I lose it, then this might be the end of the session. It's no problem. We're gonna come back tomorrow and continue. You know, I scaled up my trades into a bigger lot size than original I would have, so I'm fine. But this is what I'm looking for. So we are at full risk. Each position is 0.5%, so we're definitely at full risk, and no more adding, no more. Or I'm going to cut it early, you know, that's also a possibility to cut it, which I think I'm gonna do just now. I might just gonna do it right now. It's not working the way I anticipated it would. So I might just have to cut it. Let's see the 5 minute, not looking good. Not looking good, guys, not looking good. Started out good, now we're back down, but it's trading. Hey Sarvesh, nice to see you. Well, you know, I'm a little over risking now. Actually, right now I'm at the original trade size, but I'm risking a little bit too much on forex pairs on euro and pound. It's both the same, so I split the risk to 0.5% between both of them. I'm not looking too good, to be honest, Sarvaj, but even if I give back these profits and the account goes back to negative, I'm not going to be dramatic about that. I'm just going to continue tomorrow, you know. This is CPI. This is CPI. It is what it is. Oh my god, it's terrible. It looks terrible, guys, to be honest. But I do think that, you know, dollar index should continue lower. This is, what is this? This is the dollar index. Could continue lower. Both on pound and euro we have some buy side liquidity, so that's why I took it. But if I have to, I'm just going to cut it. So and that's going to be it. Let's try to protect the capital, right? Yeah, I think I have to cut it. It's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. Oh, damn. Well, actually, the gold is going down. I think I should have waited more. Should have. But since the morning, my original analysis was dictating that 0331 should be a good target. Going to go up. Stop out some people, but let's see. Yeah, I feel like that too. So that is why I don't feel comfortable holding these trades anymore. I should just exit right now. Oops, sorry. Let me take this phone. I might going to exit while I'm on the phone. Thank you. Okay, we're back. Not looking too good. Should just close it down, right? Definitely not looking good. Kind of like a seek and destroy day. Maybe I should just exit while I can. Yeah, I feel like exiting. Don't like this, guys. Too much struggling here. Too much over risking on my side. Should just exit, you know. I'm not saying euro won't go up eventually, but first I do think it will take out sell side. That's why I'm worried. So I should just minimize my stop in this case. You know, days like this happen, I know that. But it's gonna be one of that days for sure, I think. Yeah. Doesn't look that good. The overall risk is alright because we are at 1% risk for the account. So that's not a problem. I just, you know, just don't like how it's behaving. I don't like how price is behaving right now. This order block is not going to hold too much, I think. And the dollar index should go lower. I would only hope that it will let go these levels and drop lower to take the next sell side liquidity. That would be the main thing that could help us. But I'm not that optimistic. And also not jumping into, well, to any trade on gold right now. Maybe I should. But it's just not clear for me. It's not that clear. I was rushing it. I admit that. I was rushing the entries. And that's what happened. Have to own it, you know. Have to own it. I was expecting some much more readable price action after CPI. And of course the stock exchange is open by now, so it's not good. Yeah, it's not good. Okay guys, I think I am closing both of these positions. As of dollar index is not doing what I would like to do, what I would like it to do. Maybe I have some hope in pound, but the euro is definitely not the thing I'm looking for. If only if dollar index would just, you know, drop real sharply, then that would give us a chance. Risk-wise, we are okay, but I would really love to see the dollar index dropping. Yeah. Not happy currently. The problem is that we are below 108, so that's not helping. That's not helping us. Should make a decision here. This is gold. And what's going on? This is NASDAQ. S&P. Where's the dollar index here? Dollar index is right here. Yeah. Let's watch the dollar index for a little bit. Come on, pound. Okay, exited at break even, closed down the positions. So technically, I evened them out. As you can see, exited at break even. I did not want to put more risk on the account. So overall, let's see, custom period. Let's see today. Today I'm down $46. So I think so far I did good by exiting these messy trades. I'm not going to log these as well because they're technically break even. I'm not doing anything with them. I exited break even on the first one, then this one. My only big loss is the gold trade technically. So I'm going to log the gold trade. But I think for the day I pretty much minimized my losses. I'm not saying I'm not taking a new trade here, but I just don't feel comfortable. As you can see, I exited right at the best point. So no trades. No trades. We have technically one loss on gold here. One loss overall in the New York session on gold. So these evened out at break even. And with the commission, today overall $46. Without commission it would be only like $9, but the commissions are, those also count, but I exited. So again, I might be jumping in, I don't know. Seems like a seek and destroy day for me. I know. I was up for only $200 for the day. I was up for 25,200 for the day, and I'm seeking sell side right now on gold. And before you ask why I took it, because I was eyeballing with this. I only did not take it because I was at full risk with the two positions. So this is my entry right there. That's my entry. So no partials here. I'm just looking for this TP right there. Take out sell side, and that's it. Nothing extra. This is not a typical ICT trade. This is just a run on liquidity. Lots of traders are definitely long. I do think there are lots of stop losses there. Yesterday's low is there, so it's very near. It's just a run on sell side. That's why I took this one. Money wise, it should be bigger than the loss. And actually I'm going to put this to, how much is the commission? I don't know how much is the commission on this one, because this is MetaTrader 5. I have no idea about the commission. I'm gonna put this to break even. So this trade is at break even already. All right. This gold trade is at break even. So let's see what it does. I was up yesterday. I left the stream at $155 on the account, and now I went back down to $106. So I was up like 25,200 something. I think $206, $204. So yeah, hopefully, you know, this sell side is gonna get triggered. But, you know, this is a break-even trade. I'm long on dollar CAD after it swept the previous day low. What do you think? Let's check it. All right. Dollar CAD. Yeah, I think you're good, man. I can see that now. You're good. You're good, man. Dollar CAD looking good. Very good. Very, very, very good so far on the hourly. What's your entry? This is the 5-minute dollar CAD. No structure break though. I don't see any structure break, but it could be good for turtle soup maybe. Yeah, for turtle soup you're fine. So I think you're fine. Turtle soup entry wise, you're fine. Good. I think it will go up. I mean, if I would have to bet, I think it should take out buy side here. This is the 5-minute, or here. You know, this area would be good to TP1 at least. I don't know. I think you're good. $133.26. That's your entry. Entered. Oh, based on M1 chart. Let's zoom it out. You know, we had a structure break here. So hold on, I want a closer look on this trade. So we had a fair value gap here. Structure break right there. You know, could be all right. Could be right, my man. Yeah, you could be right there on the point. Turning back. I should have thought so. That's gonna turn back. Damn it, gold. Gold is playing dirty. I chickened out. Didn't want to give away anything I made in the morning. Well, it's no shame to be chickened out. You know, to protect your profits. That's what I'm doing actually all the time. That's why I'm so slow on gaining some profits. Deep breathing, guys. Deep breaths. Not breasts, breaths. Alright. What do we have here? You know, it would be logical from gold to take out this level, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Guys, correct me. It would be logical, right? Nothing is logical in trading anymore. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I mean, I know it wants to reprice some of this gap here, but I mean, don't look for any logic on gold nowadays. Not always doing the logical steps. But at least we are at break even, so overall the day is a little messy, but yeah. Look at Euro. Wow. Oh my god, I missed my entry on Euro. How can I be so stupid? I missed my entry, guys. This was my entry. Anyway, it's fine. I'm not entering again here. I'm not forcing anything here because my mind is getting a little messed up already. So don't forget to drop the likes, guys. At least have something good in the stream, you know. Not just losses, but some likes, you know. I do want those likes. I want you guys to like me. Come on, baby. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Just a little more push. I think I should... Come on, go. All right. I chickened out. I don't care. I closed it. All right. I chickened out. I chickened out. There you go. I don't care. The account, I know it was around 25,206 something or $7. I don't even know. At the beginning of the New York session. That's it. So we're back to square one in New York session. I don't care. I don't care, guys. This was my daily profit, something like $50, because we had what did we have? We had a loss on gold early morning. We had the euro, which has been evened out, and I had another loss on gold. I evened out the pound and the euro again, and now I made back the loss. So technically we are a few dollars up. And look at gold. Gold is dropping now. That son of a gun. What is the commission you paid for that gold trade? Let me check. There. For this gold trade, I paid $1.40 for this gold trade, so that makes it $101.92 profit. For this one, this gold, which I lost, my loss was $96.18. So basically, we are in profit, guys. For the session, I think we are up like $5. So we made $5 of profit in the New York session. I'm very proud, and overall the account today is yeah, overall the account today is still up, which is a good thing because, you know, it was a tough CPI, but I'm happy that the number one rule, what ICT says, the number one rule, what is the number one rule? The number one priority rule is to protect your capital. Whatever you do, however you decide, anything, the number one rule is to protect your capital. Look at the euro, damn. Look at the euro. Man, if I would have entered here, boom, 10 pips. I missed this trade. I feel FOMO, by the way. I feel FOMO because the euro was definitely look like it's gonna fall. On the 1 minute, it was a clear entry here. We had sell side, beautiful retracement to a fair value gap, boom. The gold trade wasn't really that clear for me. I mean, we had a fair value gap, of course, on the 5 minute, so if I would have had a better entry, maybe. But the euro trade, I missed it. So the euro, I missed it. Not bad. But if we count the spread, we quit trading. I pay like $13, $26 per trade if I count spread. Yeah, you know, it depends on how much lot size you're trading, of course. But I understand what you're saying, Armin. Guys. Okay, we might be having a structure break on S&P. Already had one. We missed the trade on Nasdaq, just saying. Here was the Nasdaq trade. Oh my god, I'm missing the trades on index futures. Sell side is down there. I'm gonna be watching this one for now. I like the S&P, but only in the New York session when there's enough volume and the spread is getting lower because of the volume, you know. And we have movement, we have range. Then I like the S&P. Otherwise, I don't. Ah, damn it, guys. Damn it. It was a crazy CPI here. And if you look at the 5 minute charts, look at the 5 minute pound. The 5 minute pound looks terrible, to be honest. It's terrible. Look at the 5 minute euro dollar. It's still terrible, although it dropped here. It's terrible. Sell side is just below here, below the midnight session. It looks like gold is gonna take out that original target. I don't care. I'm happy that I recouped back my losses. Sell side is gonna be here at 49. Yeah, it's gonna take that out, I think. Oh, what the hell? What is going on with S&P? Went back down there. Nasdaq too. All right, I thought that it's gonna go down here, but it's just not. So I preserved capital, but it was difficult for me right now. It was difficult. We still ended up in the green, but you know how it goes. We have to respect the small gains too. We have to be grateful for a break-even day or a break-even session, even for a break-even month. Guys, if you're ending up in a break-even month, then you're still a winner. Don't forget that. I feel a little bit FOMO about the euro dollar, this scalp here. Nice entry there, but it's fine. It's absolutely a crazy session. The gold is just ranging inside this mess. It's such a mess here. Look at that. Nothing actually, nothing there. What about S&P? S&P is nothing. Although it did a structure break, but that's not a clear one. Nasdaq, nothing. Took out sell side. Look at dollar index is gonna take out that high. Gold is gonna go down. It's a new short entry here, by the way, right here at this point. If you want to go short on gold for a quick scalp. There you go. 30 pips. Your stop loss should be in this fair value gap. You can go. I'm not going. If you want to go short, just short it. I don't like the whole thing that's happening across the board here. This is pound again. You have a structure break on the 1 minute, but no entry. It's like a bar chart, or barcode actually. S&P is dropping. Sell side is here. What do we have here? A fair value gap, which on the 1 hour, which has not been repriced to the mid threshold or to consequent encroachment. Could be a target. Check EUR NZD real quick. Oh my god. Damn. I don't even know if I have it. I think I don't. Let's go with forex.com. What is happening? 1 minute. 1 minute EUR NZD. What are we looking at? This is the 5 minute. This is the 1 hour. Took out sell side. Now it looks like it may want to go up. Sell side has been taken. Buy side is up here above this destroyed level. Look at this. Oh wow, look at this level here. Look at this level. Quite a beautiful one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost relative equal highs up there. So I would be considering to go long. Where is the midnight? New York midnight. Where is New York midnight? Come on. New York midnight is... This is New York midnight, this blue line. We are in discount, so we are in discount. Not bad, not bad. But the problem is, I just don't like this shape. I don't like this V shape. And we have a bearish order block. Well, basically not. I just don't like the shape. I mean, what would happen here is it just go down here and then maybe go up. Just don't like the shape here. If I want to go to the 1 minute, oops, I know we see some fair value gaps all around. I would be scared to go long, but again, it's a nice target here. So nice targets up here above 175.93. We're very close to 75 level. Good targets. It's your decision. I would not take it, but you know, it's your decision. Based on the 1 minute, you might have something there. S&P. Don't worry guys, I muted my microphone before I was coughing. I think we just entered at the right, I mean exited at the right place, although, yeah, it could still go down. Anyway, we recouped these crazy trades. Do you think NAS M1 is a good buy? Oh, good idea. Oh yeah, it looks, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, Sarvesh. How did I not see this? How did I not okay guys, or this is definitely a good one. I mean, I'm not joking. No FOMO, no troll. No troll. I do like this. I do like this trade. Where is my other chart window? I do love that. I was trading the Nasdaq yesterday too. What the hell? Let's see. Fair value gap all around, baby. Fair value gaps, baby. Come on. Okay. This would be my entry here. Still good, still good. Let's zoom it out a little bit. Damn it, okay. Let's look at the 5 minute. It looks awesome. I love the Nasdaq so far. I love the Nasdaq just trade. Oh my god. I love the way it looks. It's a classic ICT setup and it's an index future. I always love when I can trade an index future. Sell side has been taken. Historical levels up there. Tapped into the 4-hour imbalance as well. Also on the hourly as well. Look at that. It's beautiful. It looks great. I love it. I love it. I love this entry. We have a fair value gap. Even if I lose this one, I'm gonna be proudly losing it. There's my entry. I'm only risking $100. So it's less than 0.5% again. I don't care. The TP1 is good. 1R, 2R is up there. No problem there, Armin. I'm watching Nasdaq real close. We have good volume and we have a good range. So if it taps into this one, yesterday I was off stream. I was trading, although I lost yesterday. No, I did not lose. All history. This was yesterday Nasdaq. This was a Nasdaq trade, and this one too. $51.84. Although I did do that because I was losing some scalps on the dollar, euro, and the gold. But I like Nasdaq so far. So yeah, let's see if we're gonna get filled on Nasdaq. Beautiful structure break on the 1 minute. I mean, it's technically a valid 2022 YouTube model from ICT. It's all every way. It's technically a good trade if we are gonna get filled. If not, then you know, don't worry about it. We still actually it's a fair value gap right there. So if you entered to a buy right there, you're still good. But for the whole swing, the optimal trade entry would be right here, just inside this fair value gap. So you could have entered manually here on this fair value gap on the first one. It's a real small one. It's a very, very small fair value gap here. So you could have entered on this one right now. But I'm waiting for the optimal trade entry. If I'm not gonna get filled, so be it. So be it. I'm still happy that I survived some huge strikes here. Look at pound. Oh my god. What the hell is going on? What the hell is going on, guys? I like this Nasdaq, how it looks like. I really love it. Maybe we're gonna get filled on that fair value gap. Maybe. Or maybe not. Looks like not. I love this. Even if we lose this, I'm gonna be quite alright with it. So because it's a model which I use for my main entries. Look at that, it didn't really want it to tap into that. How is the 5 minute looks like? Not so good. It's gonna leave the station without us, guys. So if you want to enter right now. This could be your only chance. But I don't advise. I'm not a financial advisor. You only trade on demo account, all right? I'm not entering. DXY gone crazy. Absolutely. It's like it's following its own pattern. So are we gonna get filled? Look at that. Are we gonna get filled? Okay, we're filled. Guys, we are... What the hell? We are not in the trade. The EA didn't really fill us into the trade. There was some issue. Some issue happened with the... I don't know. Anyway, I entered with a different EA. A sloppy entry again, but we did get our entry. The EA didn't fill us into the trade. I don't know why. Anyway. TP2 should be up here. There's no commission on index futures. I think I'm gonna have to close part of this manually. Yeah. So let's just wait. Because, you know, it tapped into it so nicely. Technically, it's a good entry. So if it takes us out, you know, it is what it is. But technically, it was a good entry. A valid entry for the YouTube 2022 model. We had everything, I mean, criteria-wise. Although the only thing which we may not had... what was the daily... The hourly open. Yeah, we are in discount, so I mean, I feel comfortable. And these are the trades. If I lose this one, I'm gonna be comfortable with it because this was technically perfectly played to my rules entry-wise. So yeah. Not looking good, guys. Not looking good. We don't have that sharp move to the upside that we should have. I think the time has come to consider to close this down manually. It wants to drop lower, I think. This is the 5 minute. The entry was perfect technical levels. So the entry was perfectly on a technical level. All right, give me a minute, guys. I have to check something. All right, I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I just went out to get some food, as you can see, but I had to manually close part of the trade because it was only $100 trade. So I closed over 60% of the trade, which is $67. But, you know, I'm happy. And actually, who was the one who told me I should check this? Sarvesh. All right, Sarvesh. This goes for you. Thank you. I'm just eating here. Sorry, guys. Good food. So somehow the EA did not do his job. I had to intervene manually, but basically because it's $100 trade, I did good. TP2 is basically here. Let's just put it here for safety, or here. It's gonna be fine. We are break even, so it was great. It was a great trade. Wow, I just love index futures. If we have a range, if we have all the technicals lined up, so I just love it. This is good. Delicious food I'm eating. I mean, I was using a point 0.28 lot. You know, for index futures it differs from forex, and there's no commission here, and I was risking $100 with 0.28 lots. So I managed to close over 60% of the trade at TP1, which is a 1-to-1 range. So I did that. So Heckley, the main thing is that I was only risking $100, so even less than 0.5% on this trade. Even less than 0.5% on this trade. That's what I was aiming. And the second part of the trade is going to be the TP2. If we get there, I should be banking $53. My risk reward is around 1.4, so that's $140, which means if I minus 67, I should be making $73, to be honest, on the second portion. So this would be the correct TP, but honestly the problem is that I intervene manually. No, that's not forex. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is Nasdaq. Here you can see it right here. This is Nasdaq, Nas 100. And Sarvesh was the one who reminded me to trade this one. I like to trade index futures, but only in New York session. Yeah. So this is a free trade. Look at pound. It's going up. No entry here. Took out buy side. Nothing. This is S&P. Nothing on S&P. The beautiful entry was on Nasdaq. So thank you, Sarvesh, if you're here. Thank you very much. This trade, I needed this trade, so thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you don't let me know what's going on Nasdaq, I surely would have missed this trade. So it's thanks to you, because I would have missed this trade on the 1 minute. And if someone wants to know what happened, then here you go. Structure break here. Structure break, liquidity sweep. I'm gonna let you know on the 1 hour as well. Actually, two liquidity, one liquidity sweep and one liquidity tap. Look at that, so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Liquidity here and here has been taken. Market structure shift. We have buy side, beautiful swing highs up here, at least for TP1. Entered back to this fair value gap, boom. You enter, you took TP1 at 1-to-1 range and let the rest go. That's it. Sarvish, you didn't took it. You didn't take it, damn. Well, you know, thank you. It's... Actually, I'm gonna put this here just to make sure I don't lose more on the spread. This trade has been presented to you by or from, has been produced by or presented... Well, I was the one who... No, it has been presented by Sarvesh. So again, thank you, Sarvesh. Yeah. Yeah, Naga. I'm sorry. I didn't eat whole day. I think now I can say I'm a hungry Hungarian, right? It's official. Well, to be honest, Naga, I have no idea how to count this in pip-wise. I think it's not 300 pips. I think it's only 25 pips, but I'm not an expert on this, so if someone is an expert, explain to me why is this 2,700 something or 300. I think it's 30 pips now, so not 300, just 30 pips. I think you don't have to count the last two digits. I think. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Gold is finally taking out that sell side. So the account is up to more than 1%, $25,278. And guys, yeah, it's as you think. Exactly. Yeah, Naga. So guys, I think I couldn't have done this without you guys. So 25,278 has been secured already. So whatever happens with the Nasdaq, the rest of the position, I don't care. It's a free trade from now on. So I couldn't care less. And by the way, the final TP is in a good position in a fair value gap. I would like it to be repriced. I think we are in this. Oh yeah, and one more thing, Sarvesh. One more thing. This trade has been taken in the silver bullet session, so this was a silver bullet trade. You know, it's a classic silver bullet and everything all together. So nicely done. There's food everywhere. All right. Pound is going to take out this high. This is pound. Only 4 pips away. If pound would retrace into this here, it would be a good long opportunity maybe. I'm not going to take it, by the way. This Nasdaq trade was the best one today. To be honest, this was the best one. Even if it takes the rest of it at break even, this trade was the best. This was the best one. The euro dollar is above 108, so we're back in business to attack 108.31. So keep an eye out for 108.31. There might be a liquidity run up there. I think so. Let's check the account. All right. This is the 25K account, which I'm doing right now. We are in 1.21% profit. Started yesterday, but it's still counting the open position, so it's not accurate. But so far, I'm quite happy. The balance is 25,278, so we're still on with the challenge so far. I know there's gonna be rainy days, but so far we're doing okay. Doing just fine. Just FYI. Okay, let's see the dollar index. Dollar index is absolutely crazy. What it's doing. Historical low there at 102.85. I think it might drop there. What the heck? Look at pound. Oh my god, look at pound. What the hell did pound do? Look at that. Pound took out, or is it gonna? Almost. It's gonna take out that buy side. How far is that? Almost took it out. If you want to do a quick scalp, you can do it now with 5 pips, but it's very risky. 5 pips. Scalp, long entry right there for you. It's gonna take that high out. Just one more push. All right, I'm finished with eating. Oh my god, I have to look at my... The sun is blinding me like crazy. I have to pull down the shades. Much better. Much better. All right. Equal highs. If it goes down on the 5 minute here into this level, it would be a great long opportunity. Just saying. S&P this way. Oh, looks like maybe we have a possible TP2 on NASDAQ. Dollar index. Oh my god, look at dollar index. It's total craziness. No idea what it's doing. So if you want to scalp, there you go. It's going to take that out. 26.05 is the TP. It's gonna get taken out. Question is when? Maybe tomorrow. Who knows? Maybe it's gonna retrace back down to 25. Yeah, we're at 26, so it's causing us some trouble. So it can test below to go below 25.98. So there would be a good entry on the 5 minute. If we would end up this week, for example, with a 2% profit for the account, then that would be real awesome. Any good position on gold? No. No, look at this. Nothing. It doesn't really want it. I would like this to take out this sell side, this wick, but it doesn't really want to take it out, so no positions. No, nothing. Look at gold, it's just a mess. It became a mess. Fortunately, I exited from this short. My entry was off. Maybe my exit should have been a little bit lower, but I don't see anything anything on gold. It's no man's land. I would say that it would be good to see something on pound, but I don't see anything there as well. Pound would be a good long anyway. Still, if anyone wants to take it with a 1-to-1, it's risky, but you can take it. 5 pips, you know. Possible sell if break that 1950. Maybe. Or if you want to risk it, the biscuit, you can enter a sell here as well, you know. Possible sells here in this fair value gap, or there were some possible sell entries here where you can still enter if you're bearish. So if you want to enter here right now, then you can say that your entry was here. Your stop loss should have been above the swing high, 42 pips. If you put your TP down here, not the perfect TP, you should be good with a 1-to-1 and you would be still in the trade. But you know, overall I would think that it should take out this candle right here. It should take out that candle. So fair value gap here and here where I exited. So it's your decision. Your decision. To take. I'm quite alright with this Nasdaq trade so far. There was, oh, it was not a real structure break on the 1 hour. We might have a possibility for this one to head all the way back up. So we'll see. Put the TP right to the middle of that fair value gap. I'm not moving my stop. I'm just leaving that there at break even. I'm happy with the results so far. Not a strong day, but you know, we preserved capital, and this Nasdaq trade was awesome. I like that. This Nasdaq trade really made my session and the whole day actually. Look at that. As I was telling you, the pound is going to take out that level. So if you were entering around here, you should be having a 5 pip TP for a quick scalp. It's going to take it out, but it's too late to enter now because you're less than 1 pip away. But, you know, it was a quick scalp here. There you go. TP has been hit. I wish I would have taken it, you know. I should have taken that trade. Should have taken that. But I didn't. And if you didn't, then that's it. The train has gone, as I used to say. The train has left the station. Historical high above here. I would not go there with pound right now. I don't trust pound above that level. We are hovering around 26, so I just don't trust it. If anything, you know, if it would go down, maybe you can search for a possible short, but not here. Not here. Not much to do here, guys. I think there's no other entries. Look at gold is just flatlined on the 1 minute. Gold is dying. No trades here. The pound beautifully taken out that one. I'm actually thinking to close this manually, secure some profits, so we would be having 0.5% for each day profit. All right, I closed it, guys. I closed the Nasdaq trade. This will be it. So far today we secured more than 0.5% profit. More than 0.5% profit, and the account is up. The account is up $308. This challenge account is up $308. So yeah, so I think daily wise we did good. We did good. I think we did just good. So far this was a good one. I'm not saying Nasdaq is not gonna go all the way up, but you know, the fact is that I think 2 days up, well, not 400, you know, Naga, because you have to see this one on the left side, because you have to count the commission. Commission is $92, but it's MetaTrader 5, so it's crazy. It shows it here. So the left side here is the net profit, which is 300, but actually we can check it on my funded effects. It still didn't update it, but it shows 25,321 because it's not updated yet. But we're good. The 50k account, I'm trading it. It's under a trade copier. But you know, stream wise, I thought that I'm gonna be sharing all the details. I'm doing some other trades on the FTMO account as well. I'm doing some other scalp trades. It's being traded with a trade copier, social trader tools actually. I'm using. It's at phase 2 on the verification phase, but I did a video on my YouTube. You can check it out. This is going to be content-wise the best choice for me. I invested $100 into this account. As you can see, I paid only $100 because there was a 50% coupon. So the thing is, how can we turn $100 to $1,000? And I'm going to use this 25k challenge account with no time limit. That's why I choose my funded effects. With no time limit, let's see how it goes, I think. So that would be great. The FTMO account, which I traded previous week, has been reached. The target has been reached, so it's at phase 2. But I do have a funded account, and I'm down on my funded account more than 2%. So I'm struggling right now, guys. But I think if I'm focusing on this account as my main account, which I trade on live stream, then I think I should be able to handle it much better mentally, especially because this account has no time limit. Let's refresh it once again. Doesn't refresh. All right, don't worry. Anyway, we're up $308 on this account, so the target is $2,000. We're still quite far away, but I hope that we will get there. You know, we will get there. Oops. Let me put this back here. All right. So I hope we will get there. And as of now, let's see if we have any entries. No, nothing. Look at that, gold. Gold just reached this level which I was talking about. Gold took this out. So if you entered here on this fair value gap, which I was mentioning, in this zone, you could still do like almost 1-to-1 trade, but this was the better entry, which I should have held, but I just couldn't, because this would have taken me 70 minutes from the entry. This would have been a long trade for me. I don't really like to hold this long, but I know I have to, because sometimes this is what the market gives you. But finally it reached the low of that spike. So on the other hand, I don't see anything. Oh my god, look at the Nasdaq. Look at the Nasdaq. I should have held it. I feel a little bit of FOMO there. But I'm happy. Don't worry, guys. I feel a little bit of FOMO. Look at the Nasdaq trade, man. Look at it. Looks good. Looks awesome. This would have reached TP2. Just saying. Because this is going to reprice this fair value gap. And I exited here with the second portion. So a little bit of FOMO. I admit. Could have banked like at least $40 more on the account, but you know, it's perfectly fine. We're going to have so much good setups here. So this trade down here could have been at $150 ish. It's repricing it right now, that fair value gap. So it would have reached TP2. No problem. Ah, my god, look at that. A little bit of FOMO there. That's mean. Yeah, it's a little bit. I was scared, you know, because everything was slowing down. And not scared, actually I wasn't scared. I wanted to make sure that we finish up the day above 0.5%. That's it. That was the only motivation, that we had so many scenarios in the New York session. I just wanted to make sure that we secure 0.5% for the day. That's it, basically. I'm grateful that we survived the New York session. This was a crazy session for me. I was thinking that even if I get out at break even, it will be fine. But fortunately we got out with some good profit for the day. So now we would be around TP2. This is going to reprice it. This candle is going to reprice this fair value gap. Just one push and it's going to reprice it. So I am happy. I'm happy with the results. And I don't know what to do. I'm not forcing any more trades, guys. I think that was New York. Nothing else to do here, guys. We're finished. No use to look at the charts. So, guys, thank you so much for staying here on the stream. I think that's it for me. I'm gonna call it. I'm not taking any more trades. Thank you again. Hopefully see you guys on the London session. I did well. Thank you, Royce. Thank you, Royce. Please don't forget to drop a like on the stream and subscribe to the channel if you didn't already. Look at that. This is going to be our TP2. So, again, I'm definitely calling it. So, see you guys tomorrow. Armin, Naga, Sarvesh, Heckley, everyone, Miss Healthy FX, Roy's, KRK, everyone. Thank you so much. This is TP2 right there. Thank you so much. See you guys hopefully tomorrow. Yeah, I feel worse and worse as NAS goes up. I told you to take, but didn't take it myself. Dude, actually, thank you again, Sarvesh. This trade wouldn't have been possible without you. See you guys tomorrow, and thanks again. Drop the like. See you guys.